Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the top stories. Main link in Supari case, Joe Boy still evading police. PI Vishwesh Karpe with his team in Mumbai to nab Joe. Joe's statement crucial to crack the case. Rebellion hits Vishwajit's camp. Son of Vishwajit's dummy candidate to contest against Junior Rane says he will file nomination on Monday. Anjuna police arrest Dattaram Salgaonkar and Shrikant Salgaonkar in Anjuna murder case. Sharpshooter hired to kill Sanpreet. Contract killer still at large. United people of Raibandar meet captain of ports, oppose casinos in the locality. Captain of ports asks the people to meet minister for ports. Former I-League champions Churchill Brothers set to battle with Chirag United for a place in Federation Cup semi-finals. And swimming coach Thomas chose Savioleta and chess coach Siva Swami win Rotary Club's Mentor Awards. And now the news in detail. The most important link in the Supari case, Joe Boy, is still evading police. Joe is the only person who can expose the name of South Goa politician who planned to kill Roy. Joe Boy has fled from the state and information with the police says that he is in Mumbai. Police team under the leadership of Akshi PI Vishwesh Karpe is trying to nab Joe. Where is Joe Boy hiding in Mumbai? Goa police are panicked over this issue. Goa police were anticipating Joe Boy's arrest within 24 hours. Till Thursday night, police were in high hopes to arrest Joe Boy and get a clear case against the South Goa politician. But the situation became challenging with Friday coming to an end. Police got the information on Thursday that Joe Boy fled to Mumbai as soon as he realized about the trouble. A police team has been sent to Mumbai under the leadership of PI Vishwesh Karpe. The team left for Mumbai on Thursday afternoon and reached in the wee hours of Friday morning. Since then, the search for Joe Boy is on. High officials from police department are continuously monitoring the case as Home Minister's family is facing the threat. All eyes are currently focused on Mumbai. Joe Boy was earlier traced by the police but dodged them before they reached Mumbai. This has increased the anxiety of some of the top police officials. Joe Boy's statement is very crucial to crack the case. The case cannot progress without Joe's statement. It is only Joe Boy who can ascertain the link between himself and the politician. Was Supari really given or was it just planned? Can be confirmed only by Joe Boy. The entire case is dependent on the success of the police team already in Mumbai. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. BJP Valpoi Mandal President Narayan Gawas is the front runner for the BJP ticket for Valpoi by-election. BJP election committee will meet on Saturday to take final decision about the candidate. Meanwhile, Vishwesh Parab, son of Vishwajit's dummy candidate Ashok Parab, has decided to contest the election against Vishwajit as an independent candidate. Election Commission of India announced Valpoi by-election on 18th October. Vishwajit Rane filed his nomination as the Congress candidate on Thursday. Last day to file nomination is 29th September. BJP has called election committee meeting on Saturday to finalize BJP candidate. BJP is likely to announce their candidate on Saturday. BJP spokesperson Damodar Naik said that they are confident of winning Valpoi seat and candidate will be announced soon.
काय ना अजिबात ना वाळपय आम्ही जिंकपाची जिंकतलेत न्ही ते आनी तूं कितें उलयता हां कांयच ना वाळपयच्या संदर्भात लोक कोण पिशे ना लोक भारतीय जनता पार्टी सक्षम आसा भारतीय जनता पार्टी सक्षम आसा, बसतले, कॅन्डिडेट करतले. जालें मरे, रोखडेच करतले.
Naik also alleged government of manipulating election roll for municipality election to favor Congress-supported candidates during elections. Voting for 11 municipalities will be held on 31st October.
काँग्रेस सरकाराक परत आशिल्ले तशें आपल्या मर्जीतले वेवस्थीतपणे पिक अँड चूज हो शब्द आशिल्ले तशे उमेदवार आनी बाकीच्या उमेदवारांचें खच्चीकरण करप, दुसरे उमेदवारांक थंय रावपाक कोणाक लागून प्रयत्न करपाक मेळची न्ही हो एक सारको सिस्टमॅटिकली प्लॅनिंग चालू आसा. आनी भारतीय जनता पार्टी हातून भितर सरकारान इंटरव्हेन्शन करून रोखड्यातले रोखडे वाड रिजर्वेशन जें आसा तें करचें अशी आमी मागणी करतात.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Shishant Pearl for Prudent Media. Anjuna police have arrested Dattaram Salgaonkar and Shrikant Salgaonkar in Anjuna murder case. Sanpreet Malwankar was murdered on Wednesday at his bar. Police say a sharpshooter was hired to kill Sanpreet, who is still at large. Lakshman Salgaonkar and Ajit Kamli are already in police lockup on 8 days remand.
Owner of Monkey Bar at Anjuna, Sanpreet Malwankar, was shot dead on Wednesday night. Police suspect hiring of a contract killer in the case. Police in the latest spree of arrest have nabbed Dattaram Salgaonkar and Shrikant Salgaonkar in this murder case. They had arrested Lakshman Salgaonkar and Ajit Kamli on Thursday. They are under 8 days police custody.
One Sanpreet Malwankar, his father's name is Chandrakant Malwankar, he was shot dead. It is bar styled as Monkey Bar at Anjuna. When he was serving the cold drink bottle to the accused, at that time he was shot dead. And he was hit on his right chest, and he was taken to St. Anthony Hospital where he was declared dead. The motive behind this case is previous enmity.
The motive behind the murder is said to be the previous enmity between the Salgaonkars and the Malwankars. Sanpreet Malwankar and his father are accused in the Sagar Salgaonkar murder case in November 2009. Sagar Salgaonkar is relative of the suspects arrested on Friday. Malwankar duo were released on bail in the Sagar Salgaonkar murder case. The Supari killer of Sanpreet is still at large, but police are confident that they will get hold of him. More arrests are possible.
One Supari killer must have been arranged by the another group, and they have hired this killer. This murder has taken place, and more arrests are likely. We are going on the right directions to break this case. So on the right directions to go to the main accused in this case, and we are sure that we will break this case shortly.
A reporter from Anjuna, Shamsundar Fatte.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.